How to send Canva presentation in Gmail. So here is a step-by-step guide on how to do so. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is go to the canva.com and make sure you are logged into your Canva account. Now simply open the presentation you want to share. Either you open the existing project or create a new one. So I already have an existing presentation. Let's simply tap on it. Now once done so, you can simply see Share button available in the top right corner of your screen. Once you are satisfied with your presentation, simply tap on the share icon available there, and from the drop down menu all you have to do is select download. So once you tap on the download, make sure that your version is on PDF version. So now once you have done so, tap on the download and start downloading it to your device. It might take some few moments. Then again you will get to see click here option available there. Tap on it. Then again tap on the save icon available there at the top right. Then save it to your desktop. Save to your desktop for easier access. Now once done so, go back to the desktop, and here you can see my presentation is saved. Now let me just simply open the Google Chrome and navigate to my Gmail. Now once you open the Gmail, all you have to do is click on the compose at the top left corner of your screen to start a new email. Now simply type down your person or recipient name, subject and messages in the email. Now once you fill up it, minimize the email screen or minimize the Google Chrome screen. You can simply tap on the attach files option available there as well, but I prefer drag and drop for easier access. And now you can simply tap on the send button available there. So as you can see, I have uploaded my presentation and I have sent it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.